This week on Scotty's Garage, I'm going to repair this boo-boo I made a couple weeks ago. Hey guys, and welcome back to Australia's worst fabrication and welding channel. A couple weeks ago I tried to teach myself how to TIG weld, and then I attacked the roof of my Valiant. It was a dumb idea. I blew a massive hole in the roof. But I'm going to repair that today with a MIG welder, which I'm a lot better with. So yeah, we need to cut that out, cut up a piece of metal to weld in there and get it in without blowing any holes in it. I'm sure I can do that. Hopefully. So yeah, I made a boo-boo. It's pretty bad, but I think we can cut it out. I'm just going to go halfway up the roof line here. I'll take out this little bit of panel warpage there from the heat as well. So I'll go all the way out to here. I'll mark that out and we'll replace that whole section there. So I'll grab my trusty marking pen. So where's my deviation is there. So let's go down there up to about there, and we'll probably go all the way up to here as well. Alright, I'll grab a straight edge to mark that out. Now that we've got our size marked out, I'm going to measure it out and cut a similar piece out of some raw steel. So that's 11 centimeters by about, see if we can get right in there, 11 by 2.5 we'll say. We'll start with that and we can trim to size. Alright, so let's cut that out of our bare steel. We'll start by cleaning it off first. Alright, what did we say? 11 by 2.5. Alright, that's not very straight there, so let's go from there. Alright, double check. 2.5, 2.5. So we've got our piece of metal. Now the tricky part, cutting the right size hole in the roof. Yeah. Let's do it. Right, so we have our piece of metal, we have our hole, and the piece of metal fits in the hole. Like so. So now I've just got to make sure that's level and start tacking it in. Alright, let's start that process. Alright, another magnet. For this operation, I'm not going to be using my $50 MIG. We'll be using this Uni MIG. Alright, power on. Cool. Gas is right. Right, so it's in. Is it my best work? No, but it's a good 90%, I reckon. Not too bad. Blew a slight hole up here, but had to fill it. But other than that, it's all pretty good. So we'll shave that back. We'll let it cool down a bit, and we'll shave it back. And it'll look like nothing was ever there. Like I said, it's like it was never there. So I've still got to get in the bottom there with the die grinder and just clean up the weld at the bottom. But I haven't got my die grinder here, it's at the workshop, so we'll get in there later, fix that up. But the top section here, mint. So I bet there was a few out there that thought I really screwed this up, but man, that is looking really good. Very happy with that. Got another hole here to patch, just a little one. But other than that, we're getting pretty close to a position where we can put primer on the roof. But of course, this one's going to be a long job, the whole wagon. It's going to take a while. We're not going to be finished this year, maybe next year. We'll see. But yeah, we've still got a lot of work to do, but I'm glad we've got that sorted. Hole is patched. It's looking fantastic. It's always nice to know I can still use the MIG and get stuff done. But yeah, we've got a whole lot more to do, and you're going to see it all on future episodes of Scotty's Garage.